honey, you need filling today.
So today I'm about to get these nails together. I went to Walmart and I purchased this professional nail polish remover, 100% pure acetone, maximum strength. So I'm getting ready to try this out and see if we can do a little something, something. All right, got my nail file right here. Got the aluminum foil right here, just like they do at the nail salon. And then I even got my cotton balls. So we about to transform these nails because I can't take it not a day longer. Okay. Boom, got that set up. Boom, boom, got that set up.
Okay, beautiful people, so I know I hopped right on into this video today, and this is our last week of the self-care series, and we are going to be doing our nails. As you can see, I am removing the gel polish that I've had on since before quarantine, and child, it has slid up, it is pushed up, and it is time to get them off. So pretty much what you need to do is go ahead and file down the gel polish. Gel polish is different from regular nail polish. You can't just take acetone and remove it. You need to file it down because it is really thick. So you're going to be doing a lot of filing, but that's okay. It'll be so worth it. So that's what it looks like before. And yeah, I'm just going to file down all my nails. Alright, so next you're going to go ahead and take your aluminum foil just like they do at the nail shop. You're going to need this along with your cotton balls, and you are going to put acetone on the cotton ball and then apply it to your finger and then wrap your finger with the aluminum foil, and that just helps to soak the gel polish off more. If you're new here, welcome to the Sincere Squad. You can go ahead and become a part of the squad as well by hitting that subscribe button. It's completely free and it definitely helps grow our channel here. But if you're wondering, we have been doing a self-care series for the month of May, mental health awareness, and I have a ton of videos that you can check out as well if you're looking for some self-care things to do for yourself. I will have those linked in the description box. So there you have it. I have my aluminum foil on my fingers and I let it soak for about 15 minutes and I'm pretty much removing it here. So as you can see, it's not going to completely take off the gel polish. Then you have to like scrape the gel polish just like they do at the nail shop, but instead of scraping, they typically use the drill. However, I don't have a drill, so I had to go with what I have. This tool that I'm using here is actually from our Cricut machine. I am using that to scrape off the excessive gel polish, and as you can see, it's still not easy. This is not going to be an easy task. This is definitely very time consuming, but like I said, it's so worth it because I didn't want to keep looking at my fingernails like this for much longer. So if that's you too, sis, take the time and do it for yourself. Remember, self-care is not selfish. It is actually a requirement. So don't say I didn't tell you so. Here we are filing yet again. You are going to go ahead and file your nails down some more. That gel polish, maybe yours came off, maybe it didn't, but I still had just a little bit left, so I am going to file them down a little bit more. And then I decided to just go ahead and clip my nails because I did have some that were broken and I don't really like uneven nails, and my nails grow really fast, so I'm like, hey, why not? Let me just cut them down and they'll grow back. I would like to go ahead and give my shout out of the day to Classy Mom Boss. She is new to the YouTube platform and she talks about all things motherhood, lifestyle, and beauty on a budget. So y'all head over and check out her channel and show her some love. Let her know that SHAKERA from Life is So Sincere sent you over. Then voila, look at there. All of the gel polish is now removed. This is what my fingers look like. As you can see, it's still a little bit of sparkle on there, but eventually it is gonna come off, and I didn't worry about it too much because I did get most of it off. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the fun part. Yes, I am a nail addict. I am a super girly girl. So I purchased these nails over at my local Target store, and I love them. They're already shaped. They're the almond shaped nails, and I pulled out my buffer, my nail glue. These nails were only, I want to say $8.99. I have linked them and they'll be down in the description box if you would like to shop the nails that I purchased. Super affordable, and they're just so cute. I love that they all are different because I'm not like just a solid type of girl. I typically like do one finger different anyway, so it was perfect. And as you can see, I'm just making sure the nails fit my nail bed perfectly, and if not, that's what this little cuticle dipper is for. You kind of just like push your cuticles back a little bit and it helps the nail fit into place. So yeah, then you're gonna go ahead and apply your glue. You're gonna apply the glue to the nail, and then you're gonna place it on your finger. If you watch my next nail tutorial, which will be coming out soon, you'll see that I did learn a different tactic to make sure that my nails stay in place and they last a little bit longer. These did last me for about a week and a half, but the next set that I will be doing, it lasted me much longer because of the new trick that I tried. So make sure you stick around, subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. So I know I've done a lot of talking in this video, so I'm gonna pretty much just let you guys watch through. If you're doing your nails with me, great. I would love to see the final product, but go ahead and buff out all of your nails, and then you are gonna apply them one by one. I did go from left hand, right hand as I went along, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here, a part of the Sincere Squad. We are only growing from here, so I appreciate all the love and support. You do want to stick around to the end because y'all, I'm going to do something super wild and crazy, and it's pretty funny. But if you're wondering how you can get shouted out in my next video, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, completely free. Subscribe, like this video, hit that notification bell, and leave me a comment below so that I know that you're new here and you could be featured in one of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and I hope you have a great week.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So yeah guys, as you can see, this was a complete fail. It did remove a little bit of hairs, but not as much as I needed it to. So y'all, I was devastated. I had to just wait a couple more weeks. Eventually I was able to go and get a wax, and my girl suited and booted up so that she could take care of my needs, because this was not gonna work. But anyway, see you guys next time. Bye.